Hello everyone! Happy September 17th. Today we celebrate citizenship, apple dumplings, and the joy of collecting. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's Constitution Day and Citizenship Day, honoring civic pride, rights, and responsibilities. A great gift could be a pocket Constitution booklet, a patriotic-themed journal, or a donation to a civic education group. What does citizenship mean to you? Let's reflect in the comments. Next, it's National Apple Dumpling Day, a warm and flaky celebration of comfort food. A sweet gift could be a baking kit with apples and spices, a dumpling-themed apron, or a recipe card with heritage flair. Ever made apple dumplings from scratch? Let's trade tips below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Collect Rocks Day. A quirky celebration of geology, curiosity, and nature's treasures. A thoughtful gift could be a rock collection starter kit, a gemstone identification guide, or a decorative geode display. What's the coolest rock you've ever found? Let's dig into the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 20th to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.